Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome all in GNANGSTUDIO for the day. This is my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, and today I want to install with you a new beautiful theme on my phone. Okay, what is this? This is S9 Home. S9 Plus Home, please. S9 Plus Home. Wow, it's so beautiful. It's so nice. Get ready. Look at that. This is Android 1 UE 1UE 9P. As you see, there are many features into that you can discover it. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at the navigation button. So nice. And look at the control panel. Okay, good. And you can also see this. Beautiful settings. And when you see this, oh, so nice. All of this beautiful for you. You can see beautiful phone. You can also see many things here about phone. You can see S9 Plus, sort of information, and you can see Android P. Wow, nice! It's so nice. Very nice. Okay, now if you want to install a new theme, do this. Go on wallpaper, go here, you can see theme under. You can enter to theme, and under you can see many new themes here for you. Look at the first, for example. You can see before you can see this name, pastel TZ pastel glass UX. Look at that. Is it beautiful? No, for me it's not good. It's not good for me. But you can turn on to try. There are also a cat theme for you if you like cat. Get ready. When my cat let me to change my network connection to 10 ways, you need to come here on connection and change connection to Nyongo Company. Nyongo Company is my second YouTube channel. You can subscribe, click on GNANGSTUDIO 40 on the video to subscribe on Nyongo Company on my first page, the home page. Look at this cat. This is also a theme that you can download directly to your phone if you want. Okay. Wow, it's good, but I don't like this. There are many new themes. Let's see this quickly. What new? What is the theme that you like here? The black theme. What else? Wonderful. What is this? Look at that. Good, but I don't like this. Look at. What else? What else? What is this? You can see new old themes. Okay, new old themes. Look at that. This is a cat also for you. Wonderful. Not bad, but I don't like this. Okay, I have found a theme that you can call. Its first name is fly. Okay, it's here. Fly is here. Wonderful. This theme for me is the best. It's beautiful. Now click on download to download this and get ready. Wonderful. As you see, it's downloading. Now you can click on apply to apply this. Okay, apply. Done. Yes or no? Okay, can start it. Okay, wonderful. For me, is one of the best themes that you can download. Woo! Look at that. Can you see this, bro? Can you see this? Wow, it's so beautiful. It's so nice, bro. What the hell? What? Look at that. Wow, I like it. Ooh, so nice, bro. On my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, bro. I like it. If you like it, go like, subscribe, and get ready. Can you see this? Wow. Look at this. Ooh, change it, bro. Yes, change it also. Change it also. Look at that. Phone, contact. Oh, look at your contact. Here, wow. The phone contact and many things here. Oh, bro, I like it. You can see a faster way to explore. Wonderful. Look at that. Wow. Look at that. I like it. I like it. Wow. As you see, there are many beautiful themes here that you can download. You can switch your theme here, your default theme. For example, let me to enter, for example, here dark black theme. And there are many dark black theme here for you. For example, download this. Let's download this. And I will apply. You will see this. Click on apply. Apply again. Apply, bro. What's wrong with you? Let me to go. What's wrong? Apply again. Woo. Apply. Let's do it. Get ready to see this. Get ready to see this. Get ready to see this. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Can you see something? Flash. Activate. Look at that. This theme is black. This theme is black. All of this theme is black. Black. This is black theme, bro. Black. Black theme for you. Wow. What do you think about this? Look at this sitting bar. Wow. And baby bar. It's nice. It's so very nice. Activate this. Do this. Can I turn? Wow. Look at that, bro. Look at that. If you like black theme, you can turn on this theme to try, or the theme that you want. Okay, do the same action, theme, and you can see here, view all of your themes are here. This is the default theme, and this is the theme that I want to apply on my phone right now. Get ready to see this. Flying blue. Get ready. Wonderful. As you see, it's working. It's so beautiful. It's so practical. Power off. Woo! So nice. So wonderful. And when you do this, lock screen, and you clean your screen like that with a lotus. Wonderful. You can see after is better. Look at that and look at on your lock screen. Woo! Beautiful lock screen for you. This is part 2 of this version of theme. Well, look at that, bro. Look at that. What do you think? Say to me what you think about this under this video, and get ready for more videos. Look at that. Look at that. I like it. Subscribe today.